The worst time to make medicine is when you're already sick. You're shivering, sniffling, body aching, and now you're supposed to crawl to the kitchen to figure out what herbs to make. No. Absolutely not. This is a setup for frustration or forgetting everything you know. Let me know in the comments, do you have your winter medicine made? Today, we're going to make your go-to cold and flu rescue, Fire Cider, before you need it, using ingredients that check every box for immune, respiratory, and nervous system support. Stick around to see how to customize this potent formula to your needs and why this spicy, vibrant tonic is super helpful when illness hits. Hey friends, I'm Selima, your clinical herbalist, and in this video, we're getting ahead of winter because if you or your family usually get hit with colds, flus, bronchitis, or that weird virus that rolls around every January, this is your sign to get ready now. So what do you and your family typically deal with every year? Let me know in the comments. We're making Fire Cider, a spicy herbal vinegar used for centuries across cultures. It's credited to herbalist Rosemary Gladstar, but many traditions from Black Southern kitchens to Caribbean folk remedies have used the herbs, the spices, the citruses, the roots to protect and restore the body. And today you'll learn 2 ways to make it both powerful, both easy. Fire Cider is a medicinal vinegar steeped with immune supportive herbs, sometimes fruits and roots. You can take it daily to build resilience or multiple times a day when symptoms show up. That's sore throat, sinus congestion, fatigue, inflammation. It clears the fog, opens your lungs, it warms you up from the inside, and there's no strict recipe. This is folk medicine. So if you're the kind of person who likes everything measured to the gram, take a deep breath. You are allowed to eyeball this. It's gonna be okay. The amount you use depends on your jar size, so you can fill it intuitively. You cannot mess this up. I make Fire Cider every year and they are all different and all effective. So let me know in the comments, what do you typically put in your Fire Cider? I'm making 2 jars today, so you've got options too. In jar 1, I'm making an oxymel. So that's vinegar and raw honey added from the start. I use about 1 part honey to about 4 parts vinegar, so it isn't too sweet and it's ready to go after steeping for 4 to 6 weeks. And in jar 2, I'm making a strictly medicinal vinegar and I'll add the honey after I strain it in 4 to 6 weeks. Both are effective. Pick what works for your taste and lifestyle. Now let's walk through the blend. Here's what I'm including, and remember that all of the herbs have many different benefits. So I'm just highlighting how these herbs help with respiratory, viral, snotty nose issues. Struggling with a health issue that just won't budge? You want a holistic path. You're even thinking about becoming an herbalist, but you need real guidance. Let's talk. Book a free call with me and we'll figure out your next right step, whether it's a private consultation or one of my signature programs like Herbal Medicine for the Soul. So if you are ready to feel better and live on purpose, click the link and schedule your free call today. Let's get you aligned and moving forward. Garlic, a classic antimicrobial and immune stimulant that helps the body fight off infection and keeps colds from taking hold. Ginger, it's warming, anti-inflammatory, and a circulatory supportive herb that eases chills, body aches, helps to clear congestion. Onion is rich in sulfur compounds that act as natural expectorants, breaking up mucus and supporting respiratory health. Jalapenos, their heat boosts circulation, opens the sinuses, brings antiviral decongestant action to move stuck mucus as well. You're starting to see a theme. Rosemary, a warming aromatic herb that clears the head, opens the lungs, and sharpens focus when illness leaves you foggy. Oranges, bright with vitamin C and bioflavonoids that strengthen immunity and soothe inflamed tissues. Elderberries, these immune-enhancing berries are shown to shorten cold and flu duration while easing sore throats and coughs. Juniper berries, a piney antimicrobial berry that supports clear breathing and gently stimulates detoxification. And oregano, strongly antimicrobial and antiviral, protecting the lungs and helping the body fight respiratory infections. Thyme is a soothing antitussive that calms coughs, thins mucus, clears congestion from the chest and the sinuses. So I pack each jar lightly, layering the ingredients as I go. The goal is to fill your jar with these vibrant living herbs. Now, here's the thing. You're going to see a lot of different variations to Fire Cider recipes, and that's the beauty of it. There's no one right way to make it. As long as you're addressing the needs of the season and the kinds of challenges your body tends to face, you've got plenty of options. I've made versions with turmeric, horseradish, stinging using nettle leaf, lemon balm, lemons instead of orange, hawthorn berries, hibiscus, cardamom. When you know your herbs well and you know what you're trying to support, respiratory, circulatory, immune system, you start to realize how flexible this medicine really is. So this isn't about following a recipe to the letter. It's about learning to listen to your body, understand your herbs, think like an herbalist, and make what fits you best. Once everything is in the jar, I pour the raw apple cider vinegar into the jar, filling it to the top, leaving about a ½ inch of space. If you're making an oxymel, you can add your raw honey, about 1/4 to 1/3 of the jar, then add the vinegar, and you can use a knife or a spoon to mix it. If you're using a metal lid, you line it with parchment paper or wax paper because vinegar erodes metal over time. Let it sit in a dark, room temperature place for about 4 to 6 weeks. Give it a gentle shake every day or every other day or so. This helps improve the extraction. Then strain it through a cheesecloth or a fine strainer, pressing the solids to get every drop. But don't do like most people do and throw away the herbs. Have you ever wondered what to do with your fire cider herbs after straining? You can make a chutney, or you can dry them in a dehydrator and use as a salad topping spice blend. So get creative. If you didn't add honey yet, now's the time. Start with a few tablespoons and you can adjust it to your taste. So if you think about how the body needs support during respiratory complaints, fire cider ingredients check every box. Let's run it down. This medicine reduces inflammation. It's decongesting, helping you breathe better and relieve blocked sinuses. It helps induce sweating to regulate fevers. It thins and reduces mucus production. It relaxes the nerves and eases pain, body aches, and inflammation-related headaches. It stimulates detoxification. It promotes lymphatic drainage and opens up the body's elimination channels so you can clear toxins more effectively. And it boosts white blood cell production, making your body better equipped to fight off infections. Bottom line, your body already knows what to do. Fire cider just helps support your body's natural healing functions. However you use it, however you make it, you are prepared and your body will thank you for it. You can sip it like a shot, 1 to 2 tablespoons a day as a preventative or for general wellness, or more frequently once you start feeling those signs. Add it to tea with lemon, drizzle it on salad, use it in marinades, soups, stir into sparkling water for a spicy mocktail. I want to help you take control of your family's health inside our Family Pharmacy Herbalism program. So I created Family Pharmacy for parents and individuals like you who want an all-in-one program to confidently support common health challenges using safe, effective, and natural herbal remedies. I'll personally guide you every step of the way on your herbal journey, answering your questions, teaching you the nuances of herbal medicine. For those who don't know me, I'm Selima Harleston Lust, clinical herbalist and co-founder of I Will a Remedy. I've helped over 6,000 people learn herbal medicine to support their families through frequent illnesses, recover faster, reduce reliance on Big Pharma's pills, and just feel better than ever naturally. I know firsthand that herbalism is nuanced and the body is super complex. Many people fail to see results because they don't fully understand how to use herbs effectively. So that's why Family Pharmacy includes a strong foundational curriculum to help you succeed. But this offer is only available for a limited time. So if you're looking for a medically approved herbal program that teaches you how to use herbs skillfully, a step-by-step program that makes herbal medicine approachable and fun, a way to reduce reliance on costly and invasive treatments without compromising your care, then Family Pharmacy is right for you. The herbal program you need to confidently and responsibly support your family's health needs is sitting right in front of you. All you need to do is reach out and grab it. So join now and save 20%. This is for a limited time only. You can click below to enroll today and start your herbal journey.